The fried mind. You know the feeling. It's 11 p.m. You close the app, promising to sleep. But 3 seconds later, your thumb taps the icon again. You aren't even enjoying it. You're just scrolling. These days, your attention span feels shattered. You can't sit through a movie. You feel restless, anxious, and mentally fried. We call this dopamine burnout. We usually blame technology. We think this is a modern problem, but we are wrong. Part 1. The Dopamine Trap. 6 months ago, I was scrolling 4 hours a day. My friend asked me a question at dinner. I didn't even hear them. I was physically present, but mentally absent. I tried reading the Bhagavad Gita to fix my mind. I couldn't make it past 5 minutes without checking notifications. I deleted apps, lasted 3 days, used blockers, found workarounds in 2 hours. I thought I lacked willpower, but willpower wasn't the problem. I was fighting a 5,000-year-old battle with a 21st century weapon. Long before the iPhone, the warrior Arjuna told Krishna, "The mind is restless, turbulent, and strong." The ancients knew that if you don't control your senses, they will consume you. In this video, we're combining 3 ancient traditions, Vedic, Buddhist, and Biblical, to build a protocol that cures dopamine burnout. We're going to reclaim your mind. Step 1. The Vedic shield. Step 1 comes from the Vedas, pratyahara. It means withdrawal of the senses. The Yoga Sutras use the metaphor of the tortoise. When danger comes, the tortoise doesn't fight. It withdraws into its shell. It cuts off the input. Today, we do the opposite. We live in an open loop. You cannot fix your focus if you are hemorrhaging energy through your senses. You need the Vedic shield. The practice is simple. Create a sensory airlock. Most people try to use less phone. That fails. Instead, create a physical zone that prevents digital signals from entering. For the first hour of your day, your phone is not just silent. It's off. It is absent. In another room. You are teaching your nervous system that you control the input. You are the tortoise protecting your energy. Micro wins. The 3 sacred vows. Let's build momentum right now. I want you to commit to 3 small sacred vows for tomorrow morning. Put your phone in another room. Take 3 conscious breaths. Write down 1 focus for the day. Now, these aren't the full protocol. They are confidence builders. If you can do these 3 small things, you can handle what comes next. Step 2. The Buddhist sword. Once you withdraw the senses, you meet the enemy, silence. The Buddha called this kapasita, the monkey mind. Imagine a monkey swinging through the jungle. Grab the branch, let go, grab, let go. Social media is the ultimate jungle. Every 15 seconds, a new branch appears. The monkey feels safe because it is moving. Most people try to force the monkey to be quiet. They grit their teeth. But fighting the monkey only makes it louder. The Buddhist solution is right mindfulness. The modern practice is the pause. The next time you feel that burning urge to pull out your phone in an elevator, don't fight it. But don't do it. Just freeze. Notice the boredom. Feel the anxiety. Watch the monkey scream for dopamine. Say to yourself, I see the urge. I am not the urge. This is urge surfing. Ride the wave until it passes. The Vedic shield protects your energy. The Buddhist sword cuts the addiction. But there is one final trap. Step 3. The Christian fortress. You shield the senses. You tame the monkey. You feel great for a week. Then life gets busy. You need to check email. You have to respond. The ancient Hebrews built a fortress against this. The Sabbath. We have forgotten the difference between a human being and a human doing. The Genesis story says God rested on the 7th day, not because he was tired, but to establish a law. You are not a slave. If you check email on Sunday, you are volunteering for slavery. The final step is the Digital Sabbath. For 24 hours, you disconnect. No inputs, no outputs. You simply exist. I tried this recently. The first Friday night was brutal. I felt invisible. I thought, I'm missing out. But by Saturday morning, the brain fog was gone. Sunday, I woke up without an alarm for the first time in 3 years. I realized I hadn't been missing out on anything. I had been missing out on my own life. The 30-day protocol. Here is your 30-day monk mode protocol. Week 1, the Vedic shield. Phone in another room for the first 60 minutes. Week 2, the Buddhist sword. Catch yourself reaching for the phone. Practice the pause. Week 3, the Christian fortress. 1 full 24-hour digital Sabbath. Week 4, the integrated monk. All 3 combined. By day 30, you won't just feel different, you'll be different. Your screen time will drop. You'll sleep deeply. That's not willpower, that's monk mode. Monk mode, the ancient cure for dopamine burnout. Dopamine burnout is not a technical problem. It is a spiritual problem. The Vedas taught withdrawal. The Buddha taught observation. The Bible commanded rest. 3 traditions, 1 cure. Here's my challenge. Start tomorrow morning with the sensory airlock. Comment monk mode below and tell me your biggest distraction. Scrolling, gaming, or news. I'll check back in 7 days to see your progress. I'm Michael Behan. Thank you. And subscribe to Life-Changing Wisdom for more ancient knowledge needed in today's modern world. Monk mode is the beginning of reclaiming your power.